Welcome to all here in the session of mathematics. This is the 11th episode of the chapter limit and continuity. So in previous episode already we have been discussed the existence of limit for simple function. Okay. Now in today's episode we will discuss existence of limit of greatest integer function. Do you know what is greatest integer function? So first of all we'll discuss what is greatest integer function. Suppose you see I'm writing likewise, that is likewise inside the square bracket x is there. That means what? This one is called greatest integer less than equal to x. So keep it in your memory. This symbol represent the greatest integer function, or you can say greatest integer which is less than equal to x. That means first you have to find what are the values of the greatest integer. Suppose you have to ask what is the greatest integer of 2.9. That means this is nothing but the greatest integer less than equal to 2.9. That means you have to calculate which one is the greatest integer which is less than equal to 2.9. So first you have to draw the number line. Here one number line is here. This is the number line. Suppose here where 1 is here and 2 is here and 3 is here and this one is 0 on the number line. So this one up to infinity and this one is minus infinity. Okay, now we'll see 2.9. 2.9 is where? Here somewhere. 2.9. We are not asking what is the approximate value. Jadi तुमको approximate value पचारिबो, that is what is the approximate value of 2.9, you can say that one is 3. What is the approximate value of 2.01? That is you can say 2. But here greatest integer somehow different. Here asking greatest integer less than equal 2.9. 2.9 tharu less than integer k 0, 1, 2, all these are integers which are less than 2.9. Among all these integers, which one greatest? The 2 is the greatest. That means this one is equal to 2. Your answer is 2. That means 2 is the greatest integer which is less than equal to 2.9. Suppose you have to ask what is the greatest integer of 2.01. That means also 2.01. Here you see you have to locate 2.01. Here somewhere 2.01. That means the integers which are less than 2.01 are 0, 1, 2 likewise, and among them which one greatest? 2. So also the greatest integer of 2.01 is also 2. Suppose you have to ask 5.09 greatest integer of this. This is nothing but the 5. Your answer is 5. Suppose you have to ask what is the greatest integer of 4.9. Then your answer is 4. Okay. Suppose here is 4 and here is 5. Then 4.9 is here somewhere. 4.9. So 4.9 ro just left hand side रे जो integer रही सेटा होची greatest integer function. That is 380 अछि. 3 be less than 4.9, 4 be less than 4.9, and they are all integers. But among these two, which one is the greatest? 4 is greatest. That's why the greatest integer function of 4.9, the value of this is equal to 4. Likewise, suppose you have to ask 0.1. What is the greatest integer of 0.1? That is nothing but the 0. What is the greatest integer function of 0.9? That is nothing but the 0. If you have to ask what is the greatest integer of minus 2.3, then what will be your answer? You have to find the greatest integer of minus 2.3. Suppose here somewhere minus 2 is here, minus 3 is here, minus 4 is here, minus 2.3. That means in between minus 2 and minus 3. So minus 2.3 is somewhere here. Okay. That means less than minus 2.3. What are the integers less than minus 2.3? They are minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, likewise goes on. up to minus infinity. So but among them, which one is the greatest? Greatest is minus 3. So therefore value of this is minus 3. Would you follow or not? So likewise, suppose you have to ask what is the greatest integer function of minus 2.09. Also your answer is minus 3. Suppose you have to ask what is the greatest integer of minus 3.9. Minus 3.9. Minus 3.9 should be in between minus 4 and minus 3. So greatest integer which is less than equal to minus 3.9, that is minus 4. Suppose you have to ask what is the greatest integer of 5 only. Since this one is a integer, itself is an integer, so therefore greatest integer which is equal to 5. So greatest integer se कौन कहला? Greatest integer function which is less than equal to x. Less than equal to x माने less than ହେଇଥିବ नचेत equal ହେଇଥିବ. So here 5 is equal to 5. That's why greatest integer of 5 is 5. Okay, do you follow? Suppose you have to ask what is the greatest integer of minus 0.9. What will be your answer? Here in the number line, if you will show this minus 0.9, where it is? Here it is 0, minus 1, minus 2 and 1, somewhere here 2. So minus 0.9 means here, somewhere here, minus 0.9. So greatest integer less than equal to minus 0.9 is minus 1. So your answer is minus 1. That's your answer. Okay, would you follow? Suppose you have to ask what is the greatest integer of root 3. Root 3 means how much? Root 3 is equal to, all of you know that 1.732 likewise goes on. So 1 point something is lying here somewhere, root 3. That means, so less than equal to root 3 is greatest integer is 1. So greatest integer of root 3 is 1. Now in limiting case, how could you find the greatest integer function? That is the value of greatest integer function. If h tends to 0, then 2 plus h. What is the greatest integer function of 2 plus h? 2 plus h means what? H is very small number, nearest to 0. Nearest to 0 means you can imagine very small number, that is 0.000000001. Likewise value, very small number. However small, you can think. So therefore 2.001. So greatest integer should be 2. Okay, would you follow? Suppose 2 minus h. You have to ask what is the value of greatest integer of 2 minus h. Then h is very small number when subtracted from 2. So we have left with 1 point something. So greatest integer is 1. Okay, do you follow? Suppose you have to ask root 3 plus h. What is the greatest integer? Root 3 is how much? Already we have written here. That is 1.732. So root 3 plus h is nothing but the 1 point something, 73 something, somehow likewise number. So 1 point something means greatest integer is nothing but the 1. So if you have to ask root 3 minus h, what will happen? Then this is nothing but the root 3 minus h means root 3 minus something, some decimal number 0.00, that is also 1.73 . Okay, because you have to subtract 1.732 0.00000001. Likewise, if you subtract, so we have left with 1.73 up to infinity. So therefore that is nothing but 1. Now we'll take some negative number, that is minus 2 minus h. What will be the value? Minus 2 minus 0.00001, suppose. That means minus 2.0001. So it will lie in between minus 2 and minus 3. So greatest integer is how much? That is minus 3. Okay, do you follow? Now if you have to ask minus 2 plus h, what is the greatest integer? Minus 2 plus h means minus 2 plus 0.0001. -2 plus h, -2 plus h means कौन -2 रू something add ହେଇଗଲା -2 ର right hand side ରେ ରହିଲା से, that means it will lie in between -1 and -2. -2 minus h is somewhere here, -2 plus h is somewhere right hand side of h, -2 minus h left hand side of -2, and -2 plus h is right hand side of -2. So right hand side of -2 माने कौन -2 -1 भीतर रहिला, in between -2 and -1, that's why greatest integer is -2. -2 minus h माने in between -3 and -2, that's why the greatest integer is -3. Okay, do you follow? Now we'll go to the limit. Now we'll go to the first question of the limit. Now we'll take question number 1, that is you have to ask whether the limit of this greatest integer function exists or not. That is limit x tends to √3 greatest integer function of x, that is bracketed x, you can say bracketed x. Now we'll take LHL first, isn't it? So how could you find the LHL? LHL समोसे मन अच्छी ना नहीं? LHL means suppose LHL मन पके दो चाहे first you recall your memory, that is limit x tends to a minus f of x, and x should be replaced by limit x should be replaced by a minus h. What is h? H is very small number, that is tends to 0. This is the value of left hand limit. And what is the value of right hand limit? Right hand limit is equal to, that is limit x tends to a plus. Why a plus? Right hand side of a, f of x, f of x. So here this can be written as limit h tends to 0, x should be replaced by a plus h. These are all about the left hand limit and right hand limits. So keep it in your memory. This one is left hand limit and this one is right hand limit. Now you have to find if LHL, now you have to find whether LHL is equal to RHL or not. If equal to RHL, that implies limit exists, isn't it? That implies limit of the function of fx exists at x is equal to x tends to a. Okay, and the limit of that function is equal to LHL or RHL, whatever it you may write. So here the LHL is equal to limit x tends to √3 minus, isn't it, greatest integer function of x, that is nothing but the limit h tends to 0, bracketed x means x should be replaced by √3 minus h, isn't it? Sure. √3 minus h, where it will lie, that is 1.732 minus some very small number, that is 1 point something, so the value of this one is 1. Now we'll take RHL. RHL means limit x tends to a plus, here a is √3 plus, that is function f of x is equal to bracketed x or greatest integer function of x. Now limit x should be replaced by √3 plus h. What is h? H is very small number, that is tends to 0, isn't it? Now this one is nothing but the √3 plus h means √3 value is 1.732 plus 0.000001, likewise some number added, that means also 1.732 likewise goes on. So 1.732 greatest integer how much? That is nothing but the 1, so your value is 1. So here you can write here LHL is equal to RHL, isn't it? That's why you can write, this implies the limit of the function, the limit of f of x is equal to how much? Bracketed x exists at x tends to √3. that is limit x tends to root 3 bracketed x is equal to how much? What is that value? That value is 1. That's your conclusion. Likewise, you should write. Okay. Now we'll take next example. That is number 2. Question number 2. Limit x tends to 0 bracketed x. You have to ask whether the limit exists or not. Okay. Now we'll test with LHL as well as RHL. First you will find what is the value of LHL, left hand limit. That is limit x tends to 0 minus, here a is 0. So a minus means 0 minus, and the function is bracketed x. That is the greatest integer function, isn't it? Now x should be replaced by 0 minus h. What is h? H is very small number, tends to 0. X should be replaced by 0 minus h. 0 minus h. What about 0 minus h? If you will take number line, here it is 0, here it is minus 1, here it is 1. 0 minus something, that means 0 minus 0.00001, suppose that is minus 0.0001. Likewise, so therefore it will lie somewhere here at the left hand side of 0. So in between minus 1 and 0, so the greatest integer is minus 1. So this is nothing but the minus 1. Okay. Now we'll take RHL. So RHL is limit x tends to 0 plus bracketed x, that is nothing but the limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h, that is nothing but the 0 plus h means 0 plus h. 0 plus h is somewhere here. 0 plus h means 0.00001. Likewise, so right hand side of 0, in between 0 and 1, so greatest integer is 0. So here we see that LHL not equal to RHL, isn't it? That means what will happen? That implies the limit of the function, limit of fx is equal to bracketed x does not exist at x tends to 0. Now we'll take another problem, that is question number 3. Limit x tends to 3 bracketed x or greatest integer function of x by x it has given. So you have to ask whether the limit of this function exists or not. So now we'll check first what is the LHL of the value, that is LHL is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus bracketed x by x, that is nothing but the limit h tends to 0. X should be replaced by 3 minus h bracketed whole divided by 3 minus h simply. Okay. Now 3 minus h means 3 minus h. H is very small number. H tends to 0. That means what? 3 minus 0.00001. Likewise. So this is nothing but the 2 point something, isn't it? So 2 point something greatest integer kete 2. So limit h tends to 0, this one is 2 by 3 minus h. Here h tends to 0. If you put or if you replace h is equal to 0, then nothing will be wrong. किछि indeterminate form आसुनी आमे सबले जानिथिलु indeterminate form रु निजको सेव करिवा एठी तो indeterminate form आसुनी, so therefore you can put h is equal to 0, so that is nothing but the 2 by 3 minus 0. So the value of LHL is 2 by 3. Now we'll find what is the value of RHL. RHL, that is limit x tends to 3 plus bracketed x by x. Okay. Now we have to find x tends to 3 plus means limit x should be replaced by 3 plus h. 3 plus h bracketed whole divided by 3 plus h, where h tends to 0. Okay, now 3 plus h means how much? 3 plus h is very small number, that is h is tends to 0, 0 0.00001. Likewise, that is nothing but the 3.00001. Likewise, so 3 point something means greatest integer is 3. So limit h tends to 0. This one is 3 by 3 plus h. Here if you put or if you replace h is equal to 0, then nothing will be wrong. That is nothing but the 3 by 3 plus 0. That is nothing but the 3 by 3. So the value of RHL is equal to 1. So here we have found that is LHL not equal to RHL. Since LHL is equal to 2 by 3 and RHL is equal to 1. That's why you can write here the limit of the function, the limit of the function fx is equal to bracketed x by x does not exist at x tends to 3. Okay, would you follow or not? Now I'll take question number 5, that is limit x tends to 5 bracketed x plus 3 bracketed divided by bracketed x plus 1 plus x minus 2 bracketed. You have to find this one. Okay, so you have to ask whether the limit of this function exists or not. So first you have to find what is the LHL. Okay, so now we'll write what is the value of LHL, that is limit x tends to a is here 5, that means x tends to 5 minus here bracketed x plus 3 bracketed whole divided by x plus 1 bracketed plus x minus 2 bracketed. Okay, now we'll take limit h tends to 0 bracketed x should be replaced by 5 minus h plus here 5 minus h plus 3 and whole divided by 5 minus h plus 1 plus 5 minus h minus 2. Okay, so this is nothing but the limit h tends to 0. 5 minus h, तामने 5 रू somehow subtract कर देला, गोटे छोटो नंबर टे subtract ले 4 point something, so the value is 4 plus 5 plus 3 is how much? 8 minus h, that is greatest integer function of 8 minus h. Here 5 plus 1 is 6 minus h, greatest integer function of 6 minus h. Plus 5 minus 2 is 3 minus h, greatest integer function of 3 minus h. Now we can evaluate this one as limit h tends to 0, 4 plus 8 minus h, that means somehow some smaller number subtracted from 8, that is 7 point something, so greatest integer is 7. So 6 minus something means 5 point something, so greatest integer is 5 plus 3 minus something means 2 point something, so that is nothing but the 2. So this is nothing but the 7 plus 4, 11 by 7. That's your value of LHL. Now we'll take RHL. What is the value of RHL? Limit x tends to 5 plus bracketed x plus x plus 3 bracketed whole divided by x plus 1 bracketed plus x minus 2 bracketed. Okay, so this is nothing but the limit h tends to 0. Here x should be replaced by 5 plus h plus 5 plus h plus 3 divided by 5 plus h plus 1 plus x should be replaced by 5 plus h minus 2. Do you follow? This one should be replaced by this one. Okay, so that is nothing but the limit h tends to 0. So 5 plus h means 5 point something, so greatest integer is 5 plus this one is 5 plus 3 8 plus h, okay, all divided by 5 plus 1 is 6 plus h, okay, plus 5 here is 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3 plus h. Okay, now we have to find limit h tends to 0, 5, this one is 5, this one is 8 plus h means 8 point something means the greatest integer is 8. Okay, now 6 plus h means 6 point something or greatest integer, that is 6 plus 3 point something, greatest integer of 3 point something means 3, so that is nothing but the 13 by 9. So here you see left hand limit is 11 by 7, right hand limit is 13 by 9. So here you can write here LHL is not equal to RHL. That implies limit of the function fx does not exist at x is equal to 5, or you can write x tends to 5, where fx is equal to, you can write the function fx is equal to bracketed x plus x plus 3 bracketed by x plus 1 bracketed plus x minus 2 bracketed. Okay, so likewise you can do. So that's all for the today's session. In this session we have already discussed the existence of the greatest integer function. In next episode we will take what is the continuity, whether the function is continuous or not, and this part helps you to check the function whether the function is continuous or not. So until then, goodbye. Thank you.